How to screen share on Discord mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner. After that, go to any server. Once you are there, navigate to a voice channel. Click the green button at the bottom right to join. Once you have joined the channel, it's time now to share the screen there. Go ahead and pull up the menu list from the bottom. Once you do that, you will get this. From there, go ahead and click on the option that says share your screen. As soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window that asks you if you want to do that and tells you what will happen. Click confirm to continue. Once you do that, your screen will be shared. To end the screen sharing, you can simply click on the icon at the bottom left corner of a phone that has an X within, or you can simply drag the menu list up again and from there click on stop sharing. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to share screen on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.